Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility, iPhone with iOS 16, 4 or later and a supported Airpods model. Once paired, open Settings, enable Live Translate under Translate, and pick your input and output languages so the OS routes audio correctly. Make sure microphone and translate permissions are allowed, otherwise audio won't reach the translator. Then, connect your AirPods via Bluetooth and test sound. This initial setup ensures system-level access, so translations are seamless and fast when you begin the live session. You open the Translate app or pull up the Control Center Translate widget to begin. Once in conversation mode, select both languages and tap the AirPods icon so audio streams to and from your earbuds. This routes translated speech to each ear. Speak naturally. The app will either auto-detect language or you can lock the input. While speaking, keep your iPhone within 10 meters for reliable Bluetooth. Once done, stop the conversation. This hands control back to your normal audio routing and ends the live session. You complete the session by tapping End Conversation and, if desired, disconnect the AirPods or switch audio back to your iPhone. If translations stop or are low quality, first check Bluetooth strength, confirm translate and microphone permissions, and ensure you have network access because some language models rely on servers. If issues persist, reconnect the AirPods and relaunch Translate. Make sure firmware is current. As a last resort, reboot the iPhone and AirPods. This clears transient Bluetooth or audio routing problems and usually restores live translation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.